5X robot arm for 3D manufacturing and automation, fall 2025. Here at UTEP, the College of Engineering. Here are our team members: Sayuriko Miyama, Emilio Ceniceros, me, Walter Puentes, James McDonald, Ramses Baeza, and our professor, Dr. Khan. Here's a time lapse of our assembly of the final product. Now here's our final assembly once we've put everything together. As you can see, I'm measuring to the cube the coordinates. The X is from the base to the cube. The height is Z. And I'm also measuring the Y to the deposit bin, and also the Z of the height I would like it to go. And lastly, the X axis for the bin. Okay. Then I go to the computer and I input these values into the code as XYZ. Once it's in, I get the soldering iron just for demonstration purposes, and you can't really see it there, but I touch it onto the thermistor, and then after waiting a little bit for it to cool down back to 90 degrees Fahrenheit, it will begin the removal process. Note there is a good amount of jitter and jerking. We will go into more detail on that later in the video. So the gripper moved into position, it closed, and now it moves the cube into the box deposit bin. And that's a success in my book. It moves and it did its purpose, at least as a proof of concept. Here's the second video. Just a more clear angle of me touching onto the thermistor, the soldering iron.